Welcome to OptionEdge channel. So today I'm going to show you how to install OptionEdge on Windows machine and how to upgrade. Recently we have made many changes to make the installer very quick and easy to set up. You don't need any technical expertise. If you have ever installed Photoshop or Microsoft Office, you can easily install OptionEdge on your machine. And this installer is optimized for local machines, whether you are running locally or in a cloud virtual machine. To install OptionEdge, you need to first download the installer. For that, you have to visit this URL, https my.optionedge.in, and then you have to log into your account. If you have not created your account, you can easily create using your email ID and password. And once you log into your account, you need to go to setup page, and from there you can see the link to install the OptionEdge. So let me show you how can you create your account and download the installer. So here I am in the browser. I'll type here my.optionedge.in, and then this page will come. Sign in to your account. Since we are creating a new account, so I'll click on sign up, and then I'll enter my username and then password. Okay, and then just read all the terms, privacy and reference policies, and then tick this checkbox, and also tick this checkbox as well, and then create account. So now the next step is to verify your account. So go to your inbox, click on the mail that you received, and click on verify email. Okay, now your email is verified. Log in with your username and password. Okay, now you can see the dashboard. So there are many options there, so we will not talk about for all these options in this video. Maybe in the next video we'll explore each and everything. So today we are only interested in setting up the OptionEdge. So you click on the setup OptionEdge and you will see this page. Here you can see the installation steps for Windows installation, and you can see the link to download the installer, and you can also see the version that is currently published. And there are also instructions how to install on Windows, so you can also follow these instructions. And if you are interested installing on Linux or Mac, then you can also follow the instruction from here. Okay, so today we are going to show you how to install on Windows. So you click on this. So when you click on release, it will take you to this GitHub page, and here you can see the all the releases that are available to download. So you can see previous releases also. Okay, so this is the latest version. There are a couple of files that you can download. So we need to download Windows installer. So click on this, and then Windows installer will start downloading. So wait for some time, it will take some time. The file is approximately 300 MB, so it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Meanwhile, let's see what are the next step that you have to follow. So our installer is being downloaded. So once the installer is downloaded, you have to double click on that installer exe. Sometime Windows Defender, the built-in security of Windows 11 basically may complain. So in that case, you can just right click on that exe, click on properties, and just tick unblock and then apply. So doing this will unblock that file, and then you will be able to install the OptionEdge. Okay, and thereafter you have to follow the on-screen instructions, and once the installation is completed, there will be shortcuts available on the desktop and also in the start menu. So the shortcut name would be start OptionEdge. So you have to double click on the start OptionEdge, and then it will start. So let's see if our installer is downloaded or not. So it's still downloading, it is taking some time. So meanwhile, I have already downloaded all those files. So I'll go to the downloads folder, Okay, so what I'll do, I'll install the previous version so that I can show you how to upgrade to the latest version as well. So let me install version 1.0 or triple one. Okay, and click install. You can also click on show details. It will show all the files that are being installed. So just wait for some time. It will take a while for installation to complete. Okay, so looks like the installation is completed successfully. Just click on OK, close, and when we go to desktop, okay, now the option is installed. It will create a shortcut on the desktop. Start OptionEdge. Just double click on it, and then it will open this command window. And here you can see some messages, and then now you can see application is running on port 7500. You have to keep this window running. Don't close it, otherwise the option edge engine will stop, and your application will not work. Okay, now go to browser and type localhost colon 7500. It will ask you to log in. Use the same username and password that you created earlier. Okay, now this is the first time you are logging in onto this installation. So what system is doing is basically associating your account with this installation, so that no other user can log in. Okay, so confirm the association. Now you are successfully logged in. You can see the dashboard, and there are many options available. For example, turbo trade that you can do, brokers, how you can add Alice Blue and flat trade as of now, and upgrade we'll talk about in a while. Settings page, okay, where you can set the risk profile and other certain other settings that you can do. Okay, upcoming holidays, the holiday list you can see, market schedule you can see. Okay, settings page, okay, we are already here, and managing files. So there are a couple of files that are installed or created during the trading. For example, master contracts that you download will show here. Okay, so basically I installed this earlier, so it's showing here. And the history, whatever candle data that you see in the charts, basically saved here. And this is the configuration files, and there are system logs, trading logs, all those data you can see in the manage files section. And then the profile, so when you click on profile, it will take you to my.optionedge.in. So here you can see all your profile details. Okay, so this is how you install OptionEdge on a Windows machine. Let's say if there are new versions available, so when you click on this icon, you can see the current version. This is 1.0.111. Okay, and if we release a new version, so if you want to upgrade, you don't have to follow the entire process again. You just go to the upgrade page, and if there are any version available, this page will show you. So you can see the new version is 113. Okay, and current version this one. Okay, and you just click on upgrade now, so that it will start upgrading your option installation in place. Click on upgrade now. So when you click on the upgrade now, it will start downloading the latest file. Okay, and it will show you the progress. So it will take some time, so just wait for it. Okay, so the file is downloaded. It is now extracting the upgraded files. Now all your files are upgraded. So all the files are downloaded, and now you need to restart the application. So just click on restart application button. Okay, now it's doing some activities. Basically, it's just refreshing all the files, upgrading all the files. Just wait for it. Okay, perfect. Now you can see your application is upgraded. Your application current version is 113, latest version is 113, and there are no new updates available. And if you go to here, you can see your latest version. Okay, so this is how you can upgrade OptionEdge. I will also show you how to add a broker. So let me just click on broker and I want to add a Alice Blue, for example. I'll give it a name, Alice Blue, and then the user ID. So I'll just enter my user ID. So I'll enter my API key. Okay. And then there is one more setting, which is threshold order per second. With recent NEC circular on algorithmic trading, so basically if you cross order per second limit, then you have to register your algo with exchange. Okay, and then now click on save. This one I just added now, so you can see it here. So the only thing you have to do every day whenever you start trading, you have to download the master contract for that day. So generally you have to do this activity somewhere around 8:30 to 9 a.m. in the morning. And once you downloaded the master contracts, you can see all the symbols in this master contracts page. And you can just go through it, filter on different exchanges, maybe instruments. So you can just explore to understand what are the contracts available for trading. Okay, and once everything is correctly set up, you just first start the trade engine. It's started, and then you start the ticker. As soon as you start the ticker, live ticks will start coming, and then the nifty, bank nifty, all symbols will keep updating. And if you go to the dashboard, okay, and when you click on, for example, this nifty price, it will load the option chain current weekly expiry. So now this is loaded and you can just start building your strategies. So I sell these two options. I can see the payoff graph, and then I can see this multi-strike chart. So I have a call option, put option, and then the combined premium graph over here, and this is the spot chart also. Okay, so currently the market is closed, so you don't see live ticks. So during the market timing, you can see this chart and combined premium updating in real time. You can also add a new basket, and let's say if I sell and strangle, okay, and then I can see a combined payoff graph how it looks. Okay, so if you have any questions, any queries, you can always reach out to us using our support page. If you go to my dashboard, okay, there is a support page. Okay, you can just have your enter your queries here. Okay, and then send a message. So we'll respond to your queries, or you can always send an email to this email address.